This video will teach you how to grab images and add them to your Thinglink presentation. The first step is to search for the Safari web browser. So you're going to pull down from the top of your iPad to pull down the search bar, type in the word Safari, and tap on the Safari icon. Once you've opened a Safari web browser, you're going to type in the address bar at the top the word destiny.coppellisd.com. Then you're going to select the words next to the magnifying glass. Once there, it will bring up the list of results from your search. You're going to click on the top one that just says Destiny, and from there it will bring you here to a screen that looks like this. You're going to click on Lakeside Elementary School because that's where we are, and those are the databases that we have access to. Then you're going to click on the small login button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll use your usual username and password to log in, so that's your 3 letters and your 4 numbers with your regular password. Once you've clicked login, you'll still see the symbol, but now you are inside the library databases where you can get to all of the goodies that Ms. Bredberg has for you. I know this symbol probably looks familiar to you from a library lesson, but we are going to access Nat Geo Kids. This is a place that has lots of great images that we can use and incorporate into our Thinglink. So click on the Nat Geo Kids icon, and it will bring you into a login screen. Here you don't have any username, but you do have a password, and the password is Lone Star, all lowercase and all one word. And then once you've typed that in, tap on the word Proceed. Now you're logged into Nat Geo Kids. You can see that I've highlighted the search bar with the red ink at the top. This is where you'll search for a word that you're looking for. So I might be looking for bison because it lives in the Texas region that I researched. So type in the word bison and then click on the yellow search button next to the search bar. Once you do that, Nat Geo Kids will give you back everything that they have in their database that has to do with the bison. We are looking specifically for pictures right now, and those should populate there at the top of your screen. I only see one result for a picture of a bison, but it looks like a pretty good one that I'd like to use. So click on it and enlarge it to make it bigger. And you might have to hold your finger on it for just a second. It's not a quick tap, but a tap where you might have to stay for 1 or 2 seconds, and then it's going to enlarge. It will enlarge to look like this. From here, hold one finger down on the image until you see a pop-up menu. The pop-up menu will give you an option to save the image. When you click on the word Save Image, it saves that image directly to your camera roll. Next, you'll press the Home button and you'll search for Thinglink. Go back into Thinglink to insert your picture. You may want to get all of your pictures first and save those to the camera roll and then come back to Thinglink, so you're not switching back and forth to applications back and forth a lot. It would probably make more sense to get all of your images and then come to Thinglink, but for the purpose of this instructional video, I'm going to show you how to do it once you have all your pictures. Once I'm in Thinglink, it's really important to make sure that I am on my group's map. So remember, we're all using this same image, and one of the great digital citizenship responsibilities is that you are working on just your work. So you want to make sure that you're making good choices and editing just your presentation, so that way you can continue to use the technology. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of scroll up and see right there where it has a number 1. I'm going to make sure that I'm on my group numbers, and then when I'm sure that I'm working on the right project, I'm going to click on the word Edit in the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to tap on my region, and it's going to give me an option. Do you want to add media or do you want to add text? An image is a piece of media, so click on Add Media. You're going to choose it from your gallery, which is the same as your camera roll. You also have an option to take a video here, so if you want to add a video of you speaking about a fact about your region rather than just typing it, that would be an option for you too. Tap on camera roll. Find the image that you'd like to insert and tap on it. And Thinglink will insert it where you touched on your map. The last option I want to show you is highlighted by that red ink. That blue circle with the pencil allows you to add text underneath your photo. Once I tap on that blue, I can insert any information here. You'll want to be sure to add some really in-depth facts here. I'm sure you'll want to be checking your rubric to make sure that you're adding the kind of information that needs to go here. Once you're ready and you've checked your punctuation and capital letters and spelling, you can click on the green check, and this is what it'll look like when you're finished. When somebody taps on that red button, they'll be able to see your image and your text underneath.